I've been thinking about this moment for a while. Not the unboxing part. But what comes after? It's strange how a box like this can hold so many future mistakes. Tools matter to me. Not because they're expensive or new, but because they change what's possible. I waited for this longer than I expected. And while I was waiting, kept thinking about what it would change. I don't believe in perfect setups. I believe in setups that grow with you. Ones that start simple and then slowly become something personal. I live a life stuffed with improvisations. But I know this. From now on, when something doesn't work the way I want, I won't just accept it, but look at it differently. Not as a problem, but as a shape that hasn't been formed yet. Unlike something what surrounds us, it's always there. And because we can't see it, we forget it's even part of our space. This little device doesn't look like much, but it shows something that normally stays hidden. It's strange how something so quiet can change the way a room feels. I don't want to control everything. I just want to be aware. Because improvement doesn't always mean fixing. Sometimes it just means finally paying attention.